Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Nvidia Control Surface. This is where recording resolution lives. First, launch GeForce Experience or the Nvidia Control Panel and make sure your driver is up to date, otherwise options may be missing. Once done, enable the in-game overlay in GeForce Experience or switch to desktop capture in the control panel so recording settings apply broadly. You do this now so the next steps show the resolution choices. Make sure overlays are allowed in Windows privacy settings before proceeding. You now pick the exact resolution. Open the overlay with Alt+Z, go to Settings, then Video Capture. Choose a preset like 1080p, 1440p, or 4K, or enter a custom scaled value if you need a specific pixel size. Make sure to set the frame rate to 30 or 60 FPS and select NVENC as the encoder for hardware performance. You should also raise bitrate if quality drops. Higher resolution requires proportionally higher bitrate to avoid artifacts. You finish by saving the profile and running a short test recording of 30 to 60 seconds. Afterward, inspect the output file properties to confirm resolution, frame rate, and bitrate match what you selected. If the video is choppy or resolution isn't applied, update GPU drivers first, then lower bitrate or try the alternate encoder. You can also toggle desktop capture versus in-game capture to isolate the issue. One key tip: restart the game and overlay after changes to ensure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.